Yeah, family. I have my Jamaican chain, my Jamaican shirt. What else I need Jamaican? Today's Jamaica Heroes Day, family. And I'm surprised to see that Kenya and Jamaica is celebrating on the same Heroes Day. And as you guys know that the founding father of Kenya and the heroes of Jamaica like Bob Marley, Marcus Garvey, all of those, you know what I mean, heroes, no Jomo Kenyatta. There was like, they take a page out of Marcus Garvey book. You know what I mean? It's the Jamaicans that help Kenya in independence time, family. So there's no, you know what I mean? There's no question to ask about the connection. You know what I mean? As you guys know, we all came from West Africa into the Congos and come down to the southern part of Africa. So we are all one people. So Jam Rock, come out. We're gonna celebrate Bob Marley as